Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have talked about the good things that might happen in 2026 for Windows 11 as Microsoft is backing off so many things that people just didn't want, trying to fix things that people need or want to have fixed. But the other promise was backing off a little from Copilot everywhere. And they were saying that some apps will actually have Copilot removed in a future version that will be available. Now, Phantom of Earth on X has unleashed what is on the latest versions of some insider rings of Windows 11. Now, this is my Notepad, and notice that, of course, Copilot is still there in the Notepad, and that is what we have now. We had the Copilot has been pretty much on every Microsoft app since last year. Now, Phantom of Earth has shown us that in a insider version, Notepad is gone, and it is replaced simply with a option to do write, rewrite, summarize, make shorter, and so on. There's no Copilot icon, and that they're kind of backing off with the Copilot in some of the apps, as you see. So that would mean that promises that were made by the Microsoft team and head of the Windows team, particularly Pavan Dovaluri, are probably good promises that will happen, since we have now started to see that some of the Copilot stuff is being removed. So I think this is good news. It's showing that now there's a the Windows team is really working towards making things better and making things happen the way that users want. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.